Waddles! What's up, guys? We are on the PS5 and we're gonna play one of my favorite games, Ratchet and Clank. Rift Apart. Blast your way through an interdimensional adventure. Let's see it. Oh, wait, no, hold on, spoilers. Let me close the game. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I'm a little sick, so. Yep. Press X to start. As you can tell, I've already played through this because I love this game so much. But just for you guys, we're gonna start all over. Wow, bonus points. Okay, slot number 3. Resistance. Oh gosh. Rookie. Too easy. Rookie. Too easy. Oh wait, let me read it. Rookie Explorer. Perfect for beginners and casual heroes that want to focus on story. Heroes cannot die during combat. What kind of game lets you not die during combat? We can't do that. Perfect for beginners and casual heroes that want to focus on story. Yeah, no. Rebel Agent. A balanced choice for more experienced players. I'm pretty experienced, but let's go harder. For those who seek... Oh, wait. Resistance Leader. For those who seek a greater challenge, requiring faster reflexes against tougher foes. That sounds like my game mode, but let's go... Let's see what this is about. Oh gosh, okay. Renegade Legend. For those who wish to battle the most brutal foes in any dimension. Ooh. Let's try this out, just to make the game difficult, especially since I've already played through it. And yeah, this will be fun. Audio, headphones, 3D, yeah, blah blah. Well, we'll do subtitles. I normally don't do subtitles, but you know, I guess that's basic recording stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, speed running. Controller. Okay, yeah, we're good. Let's start. So this is like futuristic. I like the future.
Members of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you.
Immediately.
We promise.
Look at that alien kid. He reminds me of Star Wars.
Report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
Fun. Is that Ratchet?
Your suit seems to be working nicely.
What's going on?
Right in.
So they're
There
like,
is the assistant, and there is the infobot.
oh jeez.
Whew. Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Uh-oh. That Star Wars kid about to get kidnapped.
Go, go, go. Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
Oh no! No! Yeah, I got a hammer. I bonked him on the head. That's how we do it. We just one-shot
Hey, it's
people.
okay. See?
Oh,
Just me.
it's a girl.
Rivet? Shh. Gotta
Ratchet's not a
Here,
girl.
it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should. Thank you.
She didn't let me finish. I got an all wanted poster. That must be cool. And wanted. Oh, they found me. Oh, that was the other dimensional. Oh.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
His laugh though.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank!
The three amigos! Look at that robot guy. He's like, yeah, what you guys said. So this is what it feels like to be famous. Wow! Hold on, I'm so sorry. I gotta, hold on. I'm so sorry. I'm totally sorry. Sorry, yeah. There we go.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages.
Hey guys! Hey! I wish I could wave to you guys.
Hey, this is a pretty big turnout.
Even
Okay.
after all of these years, it is exciting.
Yeah.
Very exciting. Oh, we're gonna go see OG Ratchet.
To stay in store for you, starting with me, and ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Yeah,
Wait,
for real.
a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well,
Oh.
we better get moving then.
We got crystals here? Wait, those are not crystals.
Christmas tinkerer.
That's those are flowers.
For adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the rest is intergalactic history.
Nice. Okay. I guess this is the tutorial level. Learn how to smash and jump and do all the easy basic stuff. Oh, Clank. My robot in arms. Boom! Boom! That's how you do it, fam. Boom! Yeah! Wild! Wild style.
And now, our
Get that
heroes will
reference?
clear
Okay.
this festive barricade.
Ew, who's that ugly kid? Might have
Who
been
could
me.
forget the Blarg invasion of Kerwar? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills.
I sure will.
Well,
I'ma
once
shoot
you have
all
some
those
ammo,
aliens.
Of course.
I have no ammo. What do I? Oh, okay. Yeah, I knew that. Obviously. Even more? Am I maxed out? Yeah. Okay. Look at my perfect aiming.
Hall of Heroes is
That was
safe.
perfect.
Hey, I think I found the lawn bath.
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of.
Is this part of the show?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Oh, okay. That's a fair question. Oh yeah, I can jump and shoot. How many games where you can jump and shoot like that? Like Ratchet. Wait, who's shooting me? Did I get him? Oh, there must be more. Yeah, I can just shoot and jump at the same
Someone
time.
put a bounty on us?
Whoa, whoa. Hey!
Hurry, we must get to the front of the
I wish I
parade
could do this
route.
in real life. That's super cool. Oh gosh.
Oh dear.
Activating
Whoa! Please don't fall to my dude. Oh, okay, good. I gotta aim. Boom! I'm jumping and shooting, because no other game can do that. Ratchet's so cool. Bro, I'm literally walking on the wall. I'm walking sideways. What in the... Okay.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I
Look at
would
my
bet the frogs
face.
are behind this, or the
I'm not
crag mice,
Warrat.
or Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Nefarious. Dr. Nefarious. Whoa! Yeah, I'm just falling. That's normal. Oh, you saved my life. Okay.
Watch out for
Oh no. Oh, these robots are easy. Get away, doggies. I mean, robo doggies. Because you're not real robots. You're doggies. You just tried to bite me. Boom. Okay. I'm on a pirate ship. Can I blow that? That's right here. Alright, teammate.
We can glide over.
Arr, oh no! I don't want to fall. Oh, wait, how do
I
I...
see more of those
Okay,
goons down
okay.
there. We better get moving before
Ooh,
anyone gets hurt.
Okay.
Mysteries of the
I didn't want to end it
Great
quickly.
Claw.
Yeah, get destroyed.
Emotional model.
Reptile dragon things. I don't know.
More goons incoming.
Oh jeez. Ah, that's a lot of damage. That's not like that one guy. Anyways, jumping and shooting, because no other game can do that. Level up! Don't get my health back? How do I get health back? Oh, that's gone the first round. Oh, well. Oh, no lasers. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's that ship. How do I destroy the ship? It's like killing me. And the doggy. Ah! Okay. This is a little harder than what I thought. Okay, are we good? Can we destroy that now? Okay, good. Woo! I love that ship. Why do we gotta destroy it? We can't like hijack it or something? I don't know. Yeah! Destroy it! Awesome! Jumping and shooting.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
That wasn't too bad.
And
Got
now,
something in his throat?
we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose
Nope.
kind is
Can't
lost
destroy
in
him.
another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
He does. I guess he's just immune to bullets. Okay. He flinches, and then this guy's just like, oh wait, he flinches too. They're just, wow. Oh no! I wasted all my ammo! Oh no. Well, maybe I... Oh, okay. Does more spawn? Well, if I don't need it. Okay. Ooh.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you.
Aww.
You are my closest friend.
Aww.
My teammate.
Aww.
And you have given up a lot too. I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh.
No, pal, what?
Okay.
Dr. Nefarious?
They just
That's
took
it
my
in
gift.
play.
I want my gift back.
What a surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes.
Oh no. That can't be good. Wow, you just made one portal. What's that gonna do?
Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
That portal just like flew a fish at him. That's what you get. Whoa, whoa, I think I need that. Where are we going? Oh no. Here we go. I guess we gotta go with you, huh? Oh, he's not even worried. He's like, let's do this. Okay. I guess I shouldn't be worried either. Oh. Oh! Yep, I totally should not be worried. Oh no. Oh boy. Here we go.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Oh god.
Yes,
This
and
is
quickly.
so
Whatever he has
cool,
planned,
so
it
intense.
cannot be good.
Can I jump? Oh my goodness. I'm doing like... Whoa! Okay, I thought I messed up there. Okay. Yeah! Boom, 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 boom.
You here? Of course you are. Why wouldn't you?
Alright. He did not sound surprised that I was still here. He must be a casual villain I must defeat all the time. Oh yeah. Yeah, rockets! Confetti! Take that! Be blinded by awesomeness. Oh no. Wait, I shouldn't be worried. Yeah, just casually jump off a falling debris.
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times.
Yeah,
Come
old
on.
times?
It looks like
He
Nefarious
does this
landed
all the
somewhere near the
time.
train station.
That rhymes.
Go, Mrs. Zircon.
I must have got
We
too
should
much
grab
time.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
She has it all. Okay. Welcome, Mr. Cons, the one-stop shop to power up your arsenal. Okay. Shatter Bomb. Feel the power of the Omniverse in the palm of your hand. With this explosive ball of energy that will tear apart baddies and reality? No. Sick of single barrel destruction. You would be okay. I can't do it as good as this guy does it. Let me just show you the preview.
Say, you know what is better than watching explosives? Throwing them with your bare freaking hands! Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or, if you are in a hurry, pull it all the way to let them fly! Shatter bomb? More like shatter booyah!
He's the actor of Invader Zim. I love his voice in this so much. Ah, okay. Now the Enforcer.
Boom! That is the sound of
Boom! That hurt my throat. Wait, let's see. Which one should I get, guys? Power, area effect, shotgun. I think the shotgun's the way to go, dude. Let's do it. Shoot multiple
Mrs.
destruction
Zircon was
bullets.
betting you would pick that one.
You're betting. Okay.
More
Oh
goons
yeah.
incoming.
More giant reptilian unknown race. Destroy them. Awesome. Wait, how do I switch weapons? Okay. So I got a whole triangle. And then okay. We're good. We got this. I'm only playing on this hardest difficulty ever. I make it look easy, but it's really hard. Not gonna lie. Okay. Oh no. Yep, see? Oh no! Ah, my health! No! What's it? This isn't good. This is not good. Ah! No, doggy! Bad boy! There's no way. Are you serious? Yep, this is a mistake. Okay, why did I have to choose that? Because I'm a gamer. I can't play an easy game. Easy. Alright, let's see. Oh, doggy coming. You use shotgun. Okay. Wait. I don't even have to hold triangle. Okay. Yep, here we go. Boom. Glock. Here we go. Yeah. Face green bark bullets. Reptile monsters. Here we go. Oh, I'm low on ammo. This isn't good. How do I... Oh, no. Wait. I think I'm good. Let me switch. Let me switch up to that. Yeah, we're full. This is too easy. You guys totally did not destroy me earlier. Yeah. You just fell off to your eternal... Oh, jeez. He literally disappeared from existence. Oh, what's going... Oh. Okay, games like these, you always want to explore. Because they give you health, money, and secrets. And, yeah. I say games like these, but, I mean, it's mostly been Ratchet and Clank, but, you know, they're awesome. Anyways, continuing with Ratchet and Clank. Boom! Die! Oh wait, I'm a good guy. I don't destroy good people. Obviously. Totally not hurting innocent civilians or anything of the sort. Are they citizens? Are they considered like alien citizens? Because they're like
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator.
Are you mocking me?
Right. Today, you will see what losing feels like.
No, I won't. Heroes always win.
Exhausting.
Well, except the Avengers. They lost so bad. Anyway, you don't even know how to work that thing. Yeah. I blew up my Christmas present. Yeah, that kind of sucks, but whatever. Whoa! What the?
What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
A slight problem? Oh, dinosaur flew out the sky!
There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a slight problem. Okay. I mean, there's only one portal.
That was
Not
rather
like
exciting.
multiple ones came out or anything. Boom! Trash, kid. Whoa! He just got
How much Nefarious is
kidnapped.
paying these guys?
Not nearly
Oh man.
enough.
Oh wait, these portals are coming out of nowhere now. There's more than one. Oh jeez. Let me. Oh no, doggies! Ah, bad doggies. No, robot doggies. They're not real doggies. Oh wait, I gotta switch. Okay, I ran out of ammo. Yeah, that's what you get. I hear a robot dog. Yeah, get away. Evil creatures of destruction. Whoa, those flying animals? I haven't seen those before. Totally. They're not animals, they're aliens. I mean, maybe they call them animals. I don't know. I was thinking of it.
Whoa! Watch your head!
Whoa!
This is worse than
He
I
just
had
got
imagined.
kidnapped! Oh no! Whoa! 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 Yeah, there's way more than one portal coming out, man. Oh boy. Maybe I should have shot up my Christmas present like that. Oh man!
Sand sharks
He
from
just
above.
got. What in the world? These dimension portals are kidnapping people. Oh my goodness. And those are like tiny little creatures you see at a Jurassic Park. Stay away from her. Him. Is that a. We'll call it an it. It's an alien. Okay. Let's see. Don't worry, citizens. I will definitely protect you. Okay? No need to fear. Totally. Let's see. He did? Who said that? Oh, they just
Or
got
at least a very large
tentacle napped by that looked like an octopus. Okay. What's back here? Oh, they're hiding. You cowards. Pick up a weapon and fight. Is this open? No? Okay. Whoa. I didn't. Is this a museum? Did we always have that? Okay. Whoa! Oh gosh. Okay.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we
All
better
right.
not miss our ride.
Better not.
When did you rebuild the dimensioning?
I have hobbies, and I know that
Hobbies.
finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow. That's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back to Nefarious first?
Wait, there's a secret there. Remember what I said? We don't miss these. Did I seriously do all that for just... Wow. Oh, help those okay. Don't worry, citizens. Your doorknob is here to save you. Not Ratchet.
Not respect for hiring us, but we're gonna need like a bonus for all this weird stuff.
A bonus? I'm already paying you generously.
Yeah, but like, my guy got dragged through a hole in the ceiling by a crack. Hey, bro, I hear you. I see you. This wasn't a contract.
I cannot believe this.
You guys hear
Calm
this?
down, bro. We'll figure it out. Breathe
Calm
with me.
down, bro.
Yo, the wombat!
Whoa! You just now saw me? You're having a whole conversation, and then out of nowhere you're just like, yo, the wombat! Okay. Yeah, whatever. Sure. Gosh. Yeah, there we go. Boom, boom.
Our ride's here.
What ride? Oh, there's something here. Is that a car? Can I drive this? Is this our ride? It's too small. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh, that ride. Obviously, I knew that. Of course.
Next stop, Nefarious.
Yeah, next stop, Nefarious.
These whips are getting out of
Oh,
hand.
there goes that dinosaur.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
Yeah,
What
tell
is
me
that?
about it. Whoa, okay.
Hey,
Got that there.
There has got to be another box of these somewhere.
What are you searching for?
Never go planet hopping without ample supplies.
Oh, let's preview this.
Say, you know what is better than watching explosives? Throwing them with your bare freaking hands! Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or, if you are in a hurry, pull it all the way to let them fly! Shatter bomb? More like shatter booyah!
More like shatter booyah! Oh, that was already a thing. Why did that show that there? Oh, I have enough money. Let's get it, I guess.
Mrs. Zircon was betting you would
Time to
get
go
that
shatter booyah!
Hello,
There we go. This purple light is freaking me out, man. Okay, we're gonna do that thing. What is it? There we go. What's up, guys? Oh no! I should have let you guys finish! Oh well, I'm so rude. Sorry I have to destroy you guys. Whoa! I see you there. You're not playing any tricks with me. I'm a teleport! Yeah! I just rift-aported. Rift-aport! Activate! You guys can't even get me! Ooh, I'm too good with it. Rift-aport! Yes! Boom! Boom! You guys are bad. Oh, I just leveled up! Ah! You shot me in slow-mo! Disrespectful! Wait, did more guys show up? Yep, more guys showed up. Rift report. There we go. Oh no, I teleported in front of doggies. Wait, where's that? Oh yeah. Wait, what'd I do? Okay. Shatter bomb. Boom! Yes! Oh no! Rift report! Okay. Yeah! Boom! A boombayaya! I think it's, there we go. A boombayah! Yeah! Wait, you're not dead? What? Okay. Get destroyed, kids! Oh, burst pistol. Oh, I leveled up. Oh yeah, I really like to do that. I got ammo. Something is shooting. Who is still alive? Destroy! I'm missing every shot.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Did he just get
Couldn't have
something
done it
wrong? I'm
without
so
you, pal.
sorry for that guy. Did you hear that? Get away! Fine.
now
I'll
let's
go
get to
away.
Nefarious.
Jeez.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot
Yeah.
let Nefarious overuse
Whoa.
the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
This is gonna suck. No! I can't even dodge the laser! Bro! No way! This is impossible!
Nefarious.
I know I just started, but hold on. Oh, I dodged it! I must be good!
Watch your step.
As I say that.
His defenses are weakening.
His defenses are not weakening.
Toads are so unpleasant.
Oh, I'm so glad. Frogs, be gone! I'm using my frog destroyinator. More ammo. I love ammo. Don't use your lasers. Rockets? I'm gonna dodge those. Why are you doing throwing rockets at me? Come on, you know better. You know better. Oh, you're almost down. Oh, I did not that. Who's next? Who's next? Oh, Jurassic babies. Goo Goo babies. Okay. Goo Goo babies. Be gone. Ah!
Heard that.
What? Are they having a whole conversation as I'm having a whole conversation? See, that is impossible. He just literally waits until he gets it. Yeah, exactly. No, you're done. I had enough to eat. Did I just eat? Fire. That's not the thing I'm not gonna get me. Yeah! Uh-huh. Boom! Laka 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 laka. It's too easy. No, Rick support! Oh, well, that was absolutely better. Yeah! Uh-huh. You're almost destroyed, Sam. Get destroyed. Get destroyed.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
Yes, actually.
Yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Yeah, I still doubt that. So you just sucked yourself in. How do you feel? Whoa! Okay, okay, we're here now. Whoa! Okay. Birds. Oh wait. Whoa. Okay. Falling off the planet sky. Okay. Yep. Falling again to the dimension. Okay. Still falling. Well, now I'm flying. Okay. Whoa. Now I'm flying. Whoa. This is. Wait. This is that same place where we just were. Oh goodness. Yep. Now I'm falling again. Okay. Oh. Arguments! I come bearing gifts of destruction! Whoa! This is a chaotic first mission, y'all. I cannot lie. Oh gosh.
Did I do it? Or what? Is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet,
Really?
the Dimensionator.
Yeah. What? It's not. What? Oh gosh. That did not look good.
Ratchet?
His arm!
My arm.
Clank's arm.
And no. The Dimensionator. What have I done?
What
It's
have
that
you
same
done?
girl.
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.
She just robot map Clank.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked!
Wow. Wow.
It worked! I am the winner!
Wow. Wow.
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes! Emperor!
Okay. This is not a win, okay? He cheated. He literally switched dimensions to win. That's the intro. Yep, okay. Game's over, guys. Nefarious won. Universe destroyed. Here we go.
Clank? Clank?
Yeah, your boy Clank
Wombats?
got
What
robot
is this
napped.
place?
Well,
Where are you, Clank? Maybe
I
someone
think-
around here has seen him.
I think that was a very good mission. Introduction to Rift Apart. So, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you had tons of fun. Or maybe laughed, giggled, or something. If you like it, press like. If you didn't like it, dislike. If you want to comment, comment. Share, do all that. I don't really care. I hope if you have any comments, suggestions, or what games I should play, things to improve, all that, leave a comment. And yeah, that's it. Later, bye.